Look at the fucking slides. It wasn't even videotaped.
Hey, it's been around this whole time. It hasn't been?
No.
Yeah, it still is.
Oh, now it is.
Maybe it stopped, but it was. Hey, whoa!
I'm in the shower. Let it rain. Clear it out.
Did you realize what pants you're wearing?
Let it rain.
Clear it out. Clear it out.
Let it rain.
Let it rain.
Clear it out. Let it rain. Clear it out. Let it rain.
Did you take me in there? I didn't get in. Fucking Haley, 101. Get into the shower.
5-0, 5-0, Ken. 5-0.
Should I get in there? No, that'd be stupid.
No, I think we should get in there.
Because
You guys, I don't know who's gonna watch this tomorrow. Check this out.
Check it, yo. Check it, yo. To the shower.
We're in the fucking shower.
Are you sure you're saving yourself? Are you pausing?
I'm in the fucking shower, Ken.
Okay, ready? Turn it on.
Oh my god.
Let it rain. Clear it up. Let it rain. Clear it up. No, don't turn it off.
We have to go back in Graham's bedroom. They cannot know we were in there. Hold on, my panties are falling down.
My hair's wet.
Haley, where's your tube?
I don't know.
I'm wearing leg warmers. You have to wear a tube.
My hair's wet.
See this hole?
Hold on.
It's for the penis.
Hold on. Before we leave, we're jumping in, Ken. Before we leave, get back in the room. Get back in Chris' bed. Back in. Back in. Back in. Okay, go.
Serpentine. We have to find the gangster shoes we can find first. You see this?